Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 25th February 2025. The Tata and Bharti groups are finalising a merger between their loss-making direct-to-home businesses, Tata Play and Airtel Digital TV respectively. This comes as Indian consumers are cutting the cord and migrating to digital platforms for video consumption and live streaming. The merger will take place through a share swap and help bump up Airtel's non-mobile revenues through convergence. Airtel will hold more than 50% in the combined entity. Tata Play, India's largest DTH provider, was originally Tata Sky and began as a joint venture with Rupert Murdoch's Corp. The Walt Disney Company took over that stake when it acquired Murdoch's 21st Century Fox in 2019. Indian tax authorities are asking foreign private equity houses and their local arms to disclose the share of profits, better known as carry, that fund managers and employees receive when a fund outperforms, or agree to pay significantly higher fees to the advisory arms set up here. Overseas PE and venture capital funds, which are headquartered in New York, London, and other leading financial centers, typically pool their money or form investment vehicles as well as set up fund management entities in tax-friendly jurisdictions like Singapore and Mauritius. These offshore funds also have outfits in India which advise the fund managers and offer other services. IRDAI is working towards implementing major regulatory changes over the next 18 to 24 months, including a risk-based capital framework and Indian accounting standards. The regulator aims for a faster rollout while ensuring industry alignment. Initiatives like risk-based supervision and public listings for insurance companies are also in focus. The Adani Group is set to invest over Rs 1.1 lakh crore in projects spanning pumped storage, cement, mining, smart meters and thermal energy, creating over 1,20,000 jobs in Madhya Pradesh by 2030. Additionally, the group is discussing a further Rs 1 lakh crore in Greenfield Smart City, Airport and coal gasification project with the state government. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has issued important guidelines for candidates applying for the May 2025 CA exams. Aspiring chartered accountants must ensure their eligibility and complete the necessary formalities through ICAI self-service portal before submitting their exam applications. The National Company Law Tribunal, Bengaluru bench on Monday indicated the appointment of Shailendra Ajmera as resolution professional of debt-laden edtech firm Byju's. Ajmera will replace former RP Pankaj Srivatsava. Meanwhile, private equity firm Blackstone-backed Singapore Topco withdrew its petition against Akash Educational Services over proposed changes to the latter's Articles of Association. Akash, a subsidiary of Byju's, can now amend its Articles of Association, raise capital or restructure internally. This was initially opposed by Singapore Topco, which is a lender that holds 6.97% stake in Akash Education. The NCLT, in its last hearing, had asked all parties to file their reply with respect to the allegation of former RP Srivatsava not discharging his duties properly. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.